Çemtaş, servicing world automotive and machinery industries in the area of quality steel, is now serving the automotive industry with stabilizer bar manufacturing. With modern quality steel production and laboratory technologies, the steel is manufactured by melting it in an EBT-type electric arc furnace, alloying it in a ladle furnace, vacuum degassing, wire injection for microalloying, and inclusion shape control, and closed system continuous casting stages. Steel is then rolled in the rolling mill by quality steel technologies like an atmosphere-controlled reheating furnace, 2 high-pressure rotating head descaling units in the heating furnace exit, and continuous rolling entrance, a cooling bed that provides controlled cooling, cold shear, and abrasive cutting to cut the steel into lengths for the equipment. Round bars, which are shot blasted and straightened after rolling, are 100% tested in General Electric ultrasonic inner and Dr. Forster CircoFlex surface defect detection units, in accordance with EN 10308 and EN 10221 standards. After the detected faults are repaired, round bars are tested again for inner and surface defects. Finally, all bars are tested by mobile spectrometer for anti-mix control, and then transferred to the peeling line. In the peeling line, the operation is performed with maximum 6-micron RZ surface roughness and H8 tolerance capability. During production, chemical analysis, hardness, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur measurements, tensile, notch impact, hardenability, and microcleanliness tests are carried out in accordance with the relevant standards in advanced steel laboratories. The steel is now ready for stabilizer bar manufacturing. The stabilizer bar production line has been installed and modernized in a closed area of 3,000 square meters and can manufacture products in a diameter range of 16 to 80 millimeters. With induction furnaces, forming presses, bending machines, heating and tempering furnaces, shot peening, crack control, electrostatic powder paint units, as well as all laboratory instruments needed for stabilizer bar manufacturing, and CATIA V5R20 technical drawing and design support software, Çemtaş is well equipped to meet the needs of the automotive industry. Peeled steel bars, which are cut to length before stabilizer bar manufacturing, are initially marked to achieve traceability. In the end forming production unit, induction heated ends of marked bars are processed by upsetting, forging, trimming, and hole punching operations. End formed bars are then transferred to the PLC-controlled walking beam heating furnace with a capacity of 15,000 kilograms per hour. Heated bars are bent on part-specific bending tools and dipped into an oil bath for quenching. Formed and quenched bars are directly loaded to the tempering furnace, and heat treatment is completed. After forming and heat treatment operations, potential customer assembly concerns are prevented by 100% form control and correction operations. Although steel bars used in stabilizer bar production are 100% crack tested in the Çemtaş non-destructive inspection line during steelmaking and subsequently peeled, all stabilizer bars are rechecked for cracks by magnetic particle testing successive to heat treatment. After crack control, bars are shot peened in the peening machine that is designed in accordance with stabilizer bar production needs. When necessary, the ends of the bars are cylindrically or conically drilled before the bars are transferred to the painting line. By zinc phosphate surface pre-treatment with 7 baths and the latest technology of electrostatic powder painting applications, coating that meets OEM quality requirements is achieved in the electrostatic powder painting unit. Surface pre-treatment is very important for paint quality and is achieved by degreasing, rinsing, activation, zinc phosphating, rinsing, passivation, and deionized rinsing operations, which prepare the surfaces for painting. After surface pre-treatment baths, drying furnace, painting with Corona-type robotic guns, and curing furnace stages by PLC control on a 300-meter conveyor system, the painting operation is completed, and the stabilizer bars are ready to be dispatched with the required customer packaging. In addition to the test and inspection equipment used in the Çemtaş steelmaking processes and R&D procedures, a separate laboratory for stabilizer bar lines exists. Çemtaş stabilizer bar laboratories are equipped with devices necessary to check the conformity of stabilizer bars in accordance with standards and specifications and to control production parameters. Servo-test fatigue test machines can perform both load and displacement-controlled durability tests. For the control of the paint process, a Vöch VSC KWT 1000 salt spray test machine is used for corrosion resistance. A Vöch HC4033 climatic test chamber is used for temperature and humidity resistance. The Ericsson pendulum test device is used for paint hardness determinations. Conical and cylindrical mandrel bend test, paint abrasion, crosscut, stone chipping, paint thickness, and paint impact test equipment is also present. For the evaluation of the effectiveness of shot peening, all-men intensity measurements, surface coverage evaluations, and shot size screen analyses are carried out. As a holder of TS 16949, ISO 9000, ISO 14000, and TS 18001 system certificates, and with highly trained and experienced staff, which has adopted the philosophy of total quality. Production is carried out by keeping all parameters under tight control during the manufacturing stages, not simply quality control of the finished product.